UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your welcome panel. Here you should find your desired language. As you can see here, you should find the list of all languages from your device. In my case, let me choose English. So let me tap English. Let's choose the region. It could be United States in my case. Here you can also change some vision settings. So here, for example, you can set up the font size and magnification gestures. You can also here choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. If not, let's choose get started. You can insert SIM card, but you may also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let me tap skip. So here you can also use some backup. You can restore some data from your backup, or you can set up your device as a new. So let me set up as a new. So here you can continue by using the Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, you don't use any network for setup, but in my case, let me connect my device. It's also a good idea to have some internet access. The phone is obtaining IP address. And as you can see, the device is connected, the phone is checking info. So let's wait until the whole operation will be completed. The device is looking for any available software update. And here you can sign in into the Google account. So let me do it. Let me do it by inputting the email. It's also not necessary, but Google account enables some interesting features. So let me just input the email. All right. Tap next. Let's enter the password. If you are ready, let's tap next. So let's agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info again. Here you've got some Google services that you can enable or disable. For example, you can back up to Google Drive, you can help apps find your location, you can also improve location accuracy and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled, tap next, and basically the device is setting up some other things right now. You can unlock your device with the fingerprint by adding the fingerprint, or you can also do it later in settings. For now, you can tap skip anyway. Here you can also add some other stuff such as the payment methods, another email account and other stuff. In my case, let me set up those stuff later, and that's it. The home screen pops up, so it means that now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.